when you are told that your child has cancer. You can never, ever be prepared for that moment.
We went to the doctor to get a blood test, and what they thought was mono ended up being leukemia.
I took him to a doctor because I thought he had maybe an infection. Alex was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia.
It actually took a long time before they realized what was wrong with me.
We went to several doctors and they couldn't find anything wrong.
I was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma, and by the time I caught it, it was in stage 4B.
You never expect your child to have cancer, so it's really, really the end of the world.
It just takes your world, it turns it upside down and sends you into an utter tailspin.
As a cancer survivor myself, I realize what it can do to a family.
The mission of PCF is strictly to eradicate childhood cancer. We won't quit until we know there is a cure for this devastating disease.
When we first started, Pediatric Cancer Foundation only supported one hospital. Once we included other hospitals, we have been growing at a very nice rate.
And the way we do it is we host a number of fundraisers throughout the year to raise significant dollars for pediatric cancer research.
Since 1970, when we were created, 90 cents of every dollar goes directly to the cause.
We know for a fact that our dollars are not going towards light bulbs or bricks.
We do everything in our power by having no specific PCF office, by working out of our homes.
We meet as a board. We go through wish lists that the doctors create at the 5 hospitals we support, and we vote.
This money goes directly to the doctor who's running the program.
The Pediatric Cancer Foundation Developmental Therapeutics Program is one of 21 nationally recognized centers by the National Cancer Institute to run what we call early phase or phase 1 trials.
Philanthropic organizations like the PCF, who provide funding for these initial research, are really important to helping get these grants funded.
These are very intricate studies with high regulatory requirements and a lot of data.
The Pediatric Cancer Foundation has been an essential part of our community. They provided resources for us to treat patients better at the bedside, but also provide valuable funds to develop new therapies.
PCF has been a critical partner in our effort to advance the surgical cancer care for children.
For years now, has supported our efforts in childhood cancer genomics, that is understanding the fingerprint of childhood cancer.
Cancer treatment is incredibly challenging experience for the patient as well as for their extended family.
We lose too many children, and the children we save get too sick from current chemotherapies. We need to make this better.
Losing your hair at 17, 18 years old, as a girl especially, it was very, very hard for me, but I had a lot of support between family and friends.
My friends and family were extremely supportive throughout the entire experience. In terms of my friends, when they first heard that I was diagnosed, about 20 of them actually went out and shaved their heads.
It was very hard because I didn't see my family and I didn't sleep in the same room as I do at my house.
It's a very long road.
I had PCF there for me, and now I want to bring the same level of support to other families who I know are suffering.
No one's chosen to go through this for any bad reason. You have to keep thinking positive and thinking, I was dealt this card and this is what I have to do, and to be strong, and you're going to come out of it so much stronger.
When I was sick, my brother actually started a high school pediatric cancer club in my honor.
As a grassroots organization, PCF also has a lot of wonderful community activities that allow both volunteers or families to actually get involved.
Since I started this event, I've raised $60,000 for the Pediatric Cancer Foundation.
Ask me about Pediatric Cancer Foundation.
PCF has given my family and me an opportunity to give back.
You have to think positive, you have to believe that miracles can happen, and my son is the best miracle I've ever imagined could happen.